I don't think this trick has ever been done. Oh boy! Ow! Oh! Corona flip! Let's see who has
Aaron
this.
Kyro
Someone has this. Someone's landed it. My name's Aaron Kyro. I'm a sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area. And today, I'm gonna invent the Corona flip. Okay, quarantine got me a little... So I'm here today with a freestyle board, and we're going to invent a trick. I don't think this trick has ever been done. If you've seen it done, it was probably done by Chris Haslam. Out of any person I could imagine, he probably did this. But I had this idea because I've been learning this. It's like a varial heel and then Casper stall, like this. And then you bring it back like this. I thought to myself, you know what would make you go crazy more than being in quarantine under this corona circumstances? That trick, all in the air. So, I'm gonna start this video out by saying, I hope everybody's being safe at home, learn how to skate, learn something new, take this time for self-reflection. Me personally, I'm going a little crazy. Just kidding. Or am I? Yep, been in the house for a while. So I figured, you know, what the heck? We can take this back to old Braille. We can do some Today I Learns. And this is a trick. Not only have I never done it, I've literally never seen it. And because we've been filming in here, I'm just gonna set myself a little timer. What do you think we do for this? 25 minutes is good?
Yeah, that's fair.
Hey Siri, set a timer for 30 minutes. Thanks, girl. So I got this board. I think it's gonna be easier on this. I think I should warm up with a couple freestyle tricks. I set out to learn freestyle, then Corona happened, and I gave up. This trick has a lot of parts to it. It's basically a varial heel flip combined with a Casper flip. So first I'm gonna do like Casper stall, and then I'm gonna do Casper flip all in the air. How did I do that so good first try? Freestyle roots, baby. Now, we're gonna Casper flip all in the air. How did I do that so good first try? For real. Now I'm gonna do a varial heel flip. Just a varial heel flip. I knew that wasn't coming first try. Or did it not come first try because I knew it wasn't? If you've seen The Matrix, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, first try right here. But was it not first try because I thought it wasn't first try and so it's not first try? How are you guys doing during this corona? Leave it in the comments below. I hope you're safe. Whoa! I might not do this trick moving. Up a ramp would be so much easier. Up a step-up kicker or something like that. Gets me. Right to starting it, I'm really scared. Oh, I forgot. There's one more practice step. So this is basically 4 tricks into one trick. This is the 4th trick. Like that, only I gotta do it a lot better. Fun fact, this is how I learned this trick on a trampoline. No trucks and wheels, you're just bouncing. And you just kick down like this, then the board goes there and you're like that. Push down with your back foot, lift up with your front foot. Like that. So I can clearly do the varial heel and catch it in the air like this. So I just need to catch it in the air and quickly bring it back. It seems in theory like, oh yeah, you could do that, that would work. I gotta do a better varial heel stall. Otherwise mentally, I won't be able to confront the full thing. What? Who is this guy? Okay, right here from my costuming. Dang it. Oh boy! That might literally be impossible. Why didn't we start this video? Last video of the day. I'm not gonna lie, Daniel, I'm feeling 75% into this trick. And when I say that, I mean confidence of ability to do it. Oh boy. Like that, all in the air. And I need it to like hit my foot so that I can hit it back. I know what we need to do. We need to slow-mo. Okay, let me set this up. Okay, literally bending down right there just threw my back out. Being 36 is not what it's cut out to be. All in the air. Wow. Woo, that was scary. I feel like Geiger could do this because he can just pop so high. He would have like 30 minutes in the air to flip it back. Legit. Okay. I'm gonna start and stop that, and then right here for all the healthcare workers. Let's go. Wow! I don't know what happened. I almost landed like this though. Dang it. Now I'm nervous. You know, you're feeling like you got it, you're feeling good, then you hit this point where you're like, I don't know if I can do this. You always have to believe in yourself, no matter what happens. Dang it. Just a little nudge. Because I've seen photos of me doing the Half-Varial Heelflip Casper Stall, and I'm in the air, high enough, like this, I could do it. So these are going to be the best or the worst idea I've ever had, ever. I literally start flipping it back and I go like this. Because I'm ready for the board to just nail me in the face. Trying to do it too fast. I need to pop and wait. That's where like a good ramp would really help. I haven't tried like a really hard flat ramp trick like this for quite some time now. I figured it out. I need to do the varial heel, catch it, and lift up. I'm trying to kick forward. I need to lift up, not kick forward. Because at the end, it's like this, which is up, not forward. You know that one guy, that Henright guy, literally did kickflip, late, impossible. And we're just trying to do a varial heelflip late Casper flip. He did it off a ramp though too. I guess that was an advantage. Okay, back foot, down, bend your knee, bring it up. I got this, Daniel, I got it. It's like a tray revert. You gotta wait and then revert. Varial heel, wait, whip it back. Oh man, am I just so exhausted? I have to have no care about what happens to my shins. Even if I do it hospital flip, oh, Corona to hospital kind of makes sense, right? What's love got to do with it? This might be the biggest thing I've ever done in my entire career. I got it. My feet feel like they're bleeding, which makes sense for the Corona flip. Ouch. Oh! This part of my toe right here, it just feels like I've been repeatedly kicking a brick wall. For real. I don't know I can do this, dude. Ow! Oh! I feel like when I ate ice cream too fast and the head hurt, that happened in my foot and in my brain. Wow, I'm losing it. I'll be shocked if I'm not bruised and bleeding by the end of this. But you know what? This is for the Corona. I'm coming for you. I'm trying it too fast. I'm like flicking it and then I'm like spazzing out. Wait, breathe. Corona's like affects your respiratory, right? And I need to breathe. For all the people putting out so much hard work right now, keeping others safe. Ah! What do we do? Do we give up? No, that's not what you do. You fight harder. Okay, good. I got it. 10,000 steps today. Thank you. Let me just try something totally crazy. Maybe easier? It's a lot bigger though. That's the thing. Might have just a bit more pop though. Man, my toe hurts. I almost need to do a close one and look at it. So then I can analyze better where my feet are. I'm gonna look at that. Today I learned 101 with Aaron Kyro. All right, let's see. Okay, so basically we're standing there, varial heel flip position, bend down, crouch, and tiger hidden dragon, pop it.
Oh, so your back foot just misses it.
If I'd have known it was that easy, I would have just landed a long time ago. Actually, literally, my back foot just, hey, stop! My back foot just missed it. So if we just make the back foot not miss it, wow! So, boom, boom. So my back foot is like, that's gonna look and feel cool. I gotta give it like 10 very hard tries, like just everything going for it. Wow, that is hurting my toe a lot. Oh, it hurts, it hurts. I was 2 college tries. I think I only got 8 left before I'm gonna pass out from the sheer pain. I've never done this on a regular board, I don't think. 3 tries left. We might need to make this a challenge video to see who can do this trick. 2. Oh my gosh, I can't. I'm gonna give this a few more goes. I'm getting away. I'm giving this board over here. I'm just gonna shove it away. And I got more confidence on this, so I'm gonna give it a few more wang dangas. Also, the other thing with this board is there's no concave, so when it hits your foot, it hurts 3% less. Wow! One more. I don't know if that was it, but that was cool.
I mean, that was pretty much it.
You think so?
Yeah.
Wow, what a battle. All right, Braille, I mean, I've been trying this trick for like way too long. It's a varial heel flip, late Casper flip or hospital flip. I don't care which way you do it. As long as the board does a varial heel flip, you catch it like you would do a Casper slide and then flip it back. Let's see who has this. Someone has this, someone's landed it, or someone can land it. Land it and post the footage on Instagram. Tag me at Aaron Kyro or at Braille Skate. Actually tag both of us so I have better chances of finding it. But yeah. Woo! Guys, we did it! We did it! Woohoo!
There you go, Aaron. That actually wasn't too hard, but that's because it was not the trick that you were asking for. It was more of a switch, half front foot impossible, late Casper. But we're just not good enough, okay? Except for Jamie, the rest of us are not good enough.
All right, I knew somebody out there had the trick. That was amazing. You guys are what make the Braille Army so incredible. Thank you so much. Check out all those, oh wait, I should say. And I hope everybody's being very safe at home and getting in plenty of skating, taking care of yourself, plenty of sleep, good food, exercise, all that stuff. You guys are the absolute best. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes, you, it's time to learn how to skateboard. This is the time. Let's go. I'll see you there at the skate park when all this is over.